Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fit and fine. Today our topic is Realms of the Earth, which is the fifth chapter of your textbook. Realms means spheres. In this chapter we are going to learn about the different spheres of the Earth. Our Earth is divided into four spheres. First is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere is the outermost solid layer of the Earth. It is also known as crust. All the things, continents, oceans, plains, plants, animals, plateaus, all are present on this lithosphere. This crust, it has two main layers. One is known as continental crust, other is known as oceanic crust. Continental crust is also known as shale because it is made up of silica and aluminum. Oceanic crust is also known as sima because it is made up of silica and aluminum. Shale is found below the continents and sima is found below the oceans. Now we have continents. So there are 7 continents. So continents. Now the first question is, how are continents formed? Scientists believe that millions of years ago, the continents that we have were once joined together in one large major landmass or one major supercontinent which was known as Pangaea. But due to the movement of tectonic plates present in the earth, this large landmass broke apart into 7 different continents which we have today as Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Asia is the world's largest continent and covers about 1/3 of the earth's total land surface. It is surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, Indian Ocean in the south and Pacific Ocean in the east. Africa is the second largest continent in the world and covers about 1/5 of the Earth's land surface. It is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in the west, Indian Ocean in the east. Third one is North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, Atlantic Ocean in the east, and Pacific Ocean in the south and west. Then it is South America. It is the fourth largest continent in the world and it covers about 1/8 of the Earth's land surface. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean in the west, Atlantic Ocean in the north and east. Then Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent and it covers about 1/15 of the Earth's land surface. It is surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, Atlantic Ocean in the west, Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea in the south. Then Antarctica. It is the fifth largest continent. It is almost entirely covered by huge sheets of ice. Nearly 95% of the continent is covered by ice and snow. And then the last is Australia. It is the only continent and the smallest continent that is also a country. It is surrounded on all sides by oceans and seas and is also known as island continent. So the second sphere of our earth is hydrosphere. All forms of water present on our earth form the hydrosphere, whether it's oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, streams, waterfalls, water vapors which are present in the air, glaciers, ice and snow, all form a part of hydrosphere. On our earth we have oceans. There are 4 major oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It covers about 1/3 of the earth's surface. The average depth of it is about 4,267 meters. The second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. It covers about 1/5 of the Earth's surface. Its depth is 3,330 meters. The third largest ocean is the Indian Oceans and it covers about 1/7 of the Earth's surface. Its depth is about 3,890 meters. The fourth ocean is the Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest of all oceans and encircles the North Pole. Its average depth is 1,988 meters. The third sphere of the earth is atmosphere. It is the atmosphere that makes our earth unique. It is the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. As we know, the air is a mixture of gases. It contains different gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and many more other gases. Nitrogen is present in the quantity of is present The percentage of nitrogen present in the atmosphere is 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.934%, carbon dioxide 0.36%. Atmosphere is divided into five layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Troposphere is the lowest layer with clouds and all the weather occurrences such as storms. The troposphere extended from the surface of the earth to an altitude varying from up to 17 kilometers. Stratosphere is the region with the ozone layer which absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun and prevents them from reaching us. The stratosphere extends from the troposphere to altitudes ranging from 17 km to 50 km above sea level. Mesosphere, the third layer, sees a decrease in temperature with an increase in altitude. It extends from the stratosphere to around 80 km above sea level. Thermosphere is a very hot layer where the temperature of the gases are extremely high. Exosphere is the outermost limit of our atmosphere. Here the atmosphere merges into space.